And this two questions is para kay Kim only. Kim, ano daw yung staying power mo? What do you think is your staying power in showbiz?
Grabe naman, staying power.
No, because, you know, nakita ka nila as from Pinoy Big Brother, then My Love Team, now it's like this. You're here, still here.
I think, naka-benefit ako sa PBB kasi parang I started as a young Cebuana girl. Parang my life is an open book dito sa showbiz. So parang when it comes to my personal life, alam na rin ng mga tao kung ano nangyayari sa akin, kung ano mga projects ko. So parang na rin kasabay ko silang lumaki yung audience. So ako naman hindi rin naman ako madamot mag-share ng mga nangyayari sa life ko. And I think that's what feeds them also. Na parang, not one feed, pero parang yun yung parang kasabay ko silang lumaki. So, parang audience ko na din sila. And I grew up in front of their bare eyes. So, parang, si Kim, si Kim dati sa PBB. Yung parang, may binoto kita dati. Hanggang ngayon, may nagsasabi pa rin sa akin, binoto kita dati. Oh, thank you po. May bayad pa yung photo dati.
Nag-invest sila sa'yo.
Yes. So, parang, yung boto nila dati, lumago na siya hanggang ngayon. So, parang, I give back naman to them by giving beautiful projects also. And, ina-update ko din sila sa mga day-to-day life ko. And, parang, barkada kami lahat. Kasi naman yung mga taong sumusuporta.
Paano mo daw i-describe ang ideal co-worker mo or an on-screen partner?
Paano ko i-describe?
What is that ideal co-worker or on-screen partner?
Ideal? Siyempre, una magaling dapat para hindi mahirap
kasama.
Katrabaho or ka-eksena or parang hindi mahirap umarte kasi parang naman yung magaling, pero sana marunong yung meron siyang presence of mind. And gusto niya yung ginagawa niya, yun talaga yung number one. Kasi meron namang tao na hindi niya masyadong gusto yung ginagawa niya or he or she's just doing it for work. Dapat makikita mo naman kung may passion yung tao sa ginagawa niya. Kasi nakikita naman yun sa TV or nag-reflect. So parang dapat gusto niya yung ginagawa niya more than magaling.
Okay.
Siguro.
To Paolo, ano pa daw yung mga, after this project with Kim, ano pa yung mga roles that you wish to portray as an actor?
Marami pa po Marami pa po akong gustong gawing gawing mga character, mga roles na hindi ko pa nagagawa before. Pero I've always said this during my any interviews that I've been asked this question. I always tell them, as long as it's new, as long as it's something I haven't done before, and I would be challenged, then I would consider doing it.
And what is your dream project now after this current one?
A dream project. That's something new, but I've always been wanting to do like a big sci-fi movie because it's hard to produce a sci-fi movie. It requires a lot of budget and there's just so many stuff to do. But someday I would like to do a sci-fi movie that's produced and made in the Philippines.
Okay, last two questions. Your takeaway from your KKK 2024 tour from Dubai to Birmingham.
Takeaway, ano ba? Sobra kaming thankful and grateful for all the Filipinos abroad for supporting our shows, and kapamilya pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. They're still supporting mga palabas ng ABS-CBN, and sobra kaming happy dahil tinapos nila yung Linlang and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, and then ngayon na nag-tour, ngayon nag-tour, may tour kami. Ang dami nilang pumunta. So, very thankful and very grateful for their time and effort.
Ako yung takeaway ko from the Kalayaan Festival in Dubai and here in Birmingham. Parang iba talaga ang Pinoy. Parang madiskarte talaga ang Pinoy, masipag talaga ang Pinoy. And nakikita mo talaga yung pagpupursige nila para hindi lang para sa kanila, kundi para sa mga minamahal.